Blankita lifestyle.
So good.
Cooking in the kitchen. Blankita lifestyle.
Delicious.
Got the recipes for ya.
Yummy, yummy.
Blankita lifestyle.
So good.
Cooking in the kitchen.
Yummy, yummy.
Blankita lifestyle.
In your tummy, tummy.
Got the recipes for ya.
What's up, my beautiful people? So for this recipe, we're gonna need zucchinis, sea salt, black pepper, granulated garlic, but preferably fresh, macadamia nuts, Brazil nuts, 1 red onion, raw wheat germ, and sun-dried tomatoes in oil. Let's begin. So we're gonna start by taking the macadamia nuts and put them in a cup of water and let them soak for at least 30 minutes. Put it in a food processor after, add your salt, your garlic, and your black pepper with a cup of water that you soaked your nuts with. And voila, vegan ricotta. Blend sun-dried tomatoes with onions to create a creamy paste. Now for this part, we're gonna do the zucchini slices that are going to act like the pasta. I did a close-up because I wanted you to see how thin they are. If they are too thick, they're not gonna come out good. This is gonna really give it that chewiness, like that pasta feeling, but it's going to be raw and vegan. Check that out. You're gonna repeat that process with all 3 zucchinis. Keep those slices thin. Brazil nuts. Now you're going to take your grater and just make sure you grate that. Be careful with your fingers and your nails. About a half a cup, I would say, and this is going to act like your Parmesan on top of your lasagna. Let's prepare by greasing the bottom of your casserole with some olive oil. I got my little brush there, and we're gonna take the tomato paste. I had not filmed it, I realized, but this is what it looks like at the end, so you have a reference. So put that as a base, and then start placing your zucchini strips. So you see why they have to be thin, because you're gonna leave this in the fridge for at least 2 hours for all the flavor to get into that zucchini. And when you cut it, let me tell you, it is delicious. Now for our vegan ricotta, so make sure that is spread evenly all over your raw vegan lasagna. I actually learned this recipe because my mom wanted to invite me over her house and she discovered this and I just fell in love. So I was like, Mom, I gotta make this for my show. So there you go, pack that on again. You can make as many layers as you want. It really depends on you. And let me tell you, this tomato paste, you can use it in omelets or anything, and it is so good. It really helps give a wonderful flavor to any food you use it. Now we're going to add our vegan Parmesan, so just sprinkle on those Brazil nuts to make sure that you cover the top part. All of it, get it all in there. And now the last step, raw wheat germ. 1/4 cup, and you just take it and sprinkle it on top of your vegan lasagna, and that's what the final result is supposed to look like. Voila! Raw vegan lasagna. Delicious and nutritious. This was a video on how to make raw vegan lasagna. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like videos like this, here's some more that you can check out. Every Sunday at noon, I release a brand new video, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell. Like that, you'll be notified as soon as one of my videos is released. Hope to hear from you soon. Enjoy!